Calling someone by name means the attachment of the one who calls and the one who is called. Dear friends in Christ's love, today I would like to reflect with you the Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 10, verses 1 to 7. This passage focuses on calling, sending, and proclaiming. Jesus calls his chosen disciples by name. Jesus sends his chosen disciples with instructions. Jesus entrusts the chosen disciples with mission of proclaiming Christ. Dear friends, there are three roles for us to reflect upon and to play in our lives. The first role is the role of a chosen disciple who is called by name. The second role is the role of a rejected disciple. The third role is the role of a chosen disciple but lost disciple now. Calling someone by name means the attachment of the one who calls and the one who is called. The chosen disciples are the ones who are called by name and they are called by Jesus. Chosen disciples are the ones who are ready and faithful to go and to spread the gospel of Christ. Dear friends, do you and I prefer this role to play in our lives? Jesus sends the disciples saying, "Go nowhere to the places of Gentiles and Samaritans." Biblically, Gentiles and Samaritans are the terms that are used for the people who are stubborn in their heart to accept Jesus and his gospel. Dear friends, do you and I play this role of rejected disciples? Jesus says, "Go to the lost sheep of the house of Israel." The lost sheep are once chosen but now lost. Dear friends, do you and I prefer to play the role of the chosen but lost now disciple? The autobiography of Blessed Mark Criado, a Trinitarian martyr, states, "Like Christ, Blessed Mark Criado traveled through rocky terrains and scrublands in search of the lost sheep for Christ." Dear friends, let's come to accept the challenges and hardships of Jesus' calls today as chosen disciples. May the call of Christ redeem us.